Hey, I want to book a home service.
Connect your WhatsApp business account to your GPT. Choose the business portfolio, select the WhatsApp number, and complete the meta setup. Once the account is connected, your GPT shows the details, the phone number, the messaging profile, and the current connection status. So before you launch anything, the campaign foundation is ready. Now create the campaign. Name it. Choose WhatsApp as the channel, and let's move next into the audience selection. Pick the contacts you want to reach, review the list, then select an approved WhatsApp template, add the variables, preview the message, and make sure it feels relevant before it goes out. Your GPT campaigns helps your team reach customers faster. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you're building.